Hi, my name is Tony Craig, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock user accounts and reset passwords utilizing Active Directory through Microsoft Azure. If you're interested in how to build the Active Directory from the ground up utilizing Azure, you can look on my GitHub and go to the resource on-premises Active Directory deployed utilizing Microsoft Azure, and I've included some screenshots there of directions on how to do so. But in this video, we'll be looking at how to reset passwords and unlock user accounts. So here you can see I have already established DC1 or Domain Controller 1, which we went over in the on-premises Active Directory lab that I've already done on my GitHub, and that is located right here, the DC1 or Domain Controller 1 virtual machine, and then this would be our client 1 virtual machine. And so within this lab, I'm going to go ahead and go to our domain controller, and this is within Active Directory users and computers. And you can find that by just simply going down here and typing Active Directory users and computers, and then looking in the employees folder. I've created all of these user accounts here. We're just going to select a random one, and let's just select this one here. So bfos.bav, and right click on it, go down to properties, go to account, and I'm going to highlight and copy the username there, and back into our main computer here. I'm using a Mac, so we're using Microsoft Remote Desktop into client 1 here. This is again what we were just in, our domain controller, client 1. We'll try logging in using the mydomain.com / and that username, and password 1 should be the right password to then log us into bfos.bav user account. And we'll log into this just so you can get an idea of what it looks like. I will then sign out of that account and then try and log back into it several times to where we will lock the account out, or basically deactivate the account to where we can no longer log in. I will then go back into the domain controller through Active Directory and basically unlock the account after it has been locked by using the wrong password too many times to try and log into the account. And then we will be able to see how we can log into client 1 like we just did without any problem. Alright, so we've logged into client 1. Now that we're logged in, we're going to log back out again. So we'll go here, sign out, and we're back out. So again, client 1, this is domain controller or Active Directory is installed. So what we're going to do here, actually let's go back to here first, hit OK with that one. Alright, we'll go back to our main computer. Or another interesting thing is we can go into the user properties account and create a logon name. So it could be the same at mydomain.com, which would be a little bit easier than the employee having to remember or type in this user logon name, this old one, and doing the / every time. So instead, it'd probably be like their email at mydomain.com, bfos.bav, and hit apply, hit OK. We can go back to our main computer. So then it'll be bfos.bav at mydomain.com, and then we will just continue to put in some incorrect passwords. And we'll do this at least 10 times just to ensure the account would get locked due to too many password or incorrect password attempts to log in to the computer. Okay. So let's say that has locked out the user bfos.bav, and we go into properties, account. I don't know, that's a fun name to say, bfos.bav. So go to into account here, and unlock account right here is what we want to click on. Hit apply. Okay. Let's go back. Hit connect. Go password 1, and that should get us in. Alright, so that's how you reset, not reset a password, but unlock an account. Next we will look at resetting a password. So let's sign out of the account we just logged into. And let's say that the account user, bfos.bav, needs to reset the password. They say they have forgotten their password. So we can go to right click on the user again. After we've looked under the employees folder, go down, reset password is what we want. So instead of password 1, let's just do different password, stronger password. That will be emailed to them. Unlock the user's account. And it has been changed. Alright, so then we can go back to our main computer. We can log in here. Again, mydomain.com. Put in that same password there that we just reset it to, and now we can log in after resetting that password through Active Directory on the domain controller virtual machine that we set up. Now I just want to show you one last thing. Let's sign out of this account one more time. And say we want to deactivate an account. Over here in the domain controller, go or disable account. It has been disabled. We see this little arrow right here. I'm not sure if we can zoom in on there. I guess not. We don't have that ability to here. But bfos.bav there has been deactivated. So if we go back here and we try and log in, mydomain.com, put a dot there. It has been deactivated. Contact your network administrator for assistance. The account has been disabled or deactivated. So close. Now we can go back to Active Directory, enable account, and it has been enabled. And let's try again, see if we can access the account now. And it looks like we're in. Alright, so that is the basic level understanding of how we can unlock and lock an account, reset password, disable and enable an account as well. and thank you for watching. This has been a tutorial, and you can always find more information and more materials on my GitHub as well.